Hey guys, so today we're gonna be washing using Hisense Automatic washing machine, and it's a wash and dry 12 kgs. I just thought of showing you how I use it, and I know it has some choices here. You can use to wash, and actually I use my phone. I operate it through my phone, but I'll still show you both, how to set it using just this and everything here, and how to use it using your phone. Okay, let's go. It's big, guys. I actually wash duvets that are actually heavy, 7x6, or even bigger. It can accommodate big duvets. Detergent area, pull it like this, and this is where you should put the powder soap, right? Powder soap should be put here, although I don't use it for this machine. I don't like using the powder soap, but this is where you put the liquid soap, right? It should be here, and the softener should be here, right here. And anytime you fill them, it should never pass this mark, like the maximum. You see where it's indicated, should have a space between the just a little space between the liquid and the maximum area, so it should not come all the way here. All right. And there's a very amazing thing to note about this specific machine. I don't know if the rest are like this, but hey, for this one, once you put them, you fill them like this, guys, it goes for months. For me, it takes months, like maybe 2 months before I refill it again, depending on how I'm washing. Sometimes even 3 months, depending on how I'm washing my clothes. It never drains them like that. It's set in a way that it just picks small amounts by small amounts when it's washing. Just a little bit of detergent, a little bit of softener per wash. Guys, it's amazing when it comes to detergent and softener usage. So first of all, you ensure that the tap is on. This is where I put the tap on, and this the electricity, right? Put that button on, so that when I put it on from here, it will go on. All right. At first, when I started using this machine, I couldn't figure out how to reduce the drying time. Okay, and that's what I want to share with you guys. For example, okay, actually I haven't connected it to the phone, and for you to connect, you have to click on this connect, and then the Wi-Fi will be connected. You can see the Wi-Fi is on. And you guys, the only thing I want to show you is how to shorten the drying time, because for me, I was following 3 hours, 4 hours. Oh my god, it was really crazy. Yeah? And I just thought I should show you how to reduce the drying time. So for example, after choosing let's say, because for me, I like using the Power 49, right? That's for sometimes when you have very dirty clothes, maybe with dust and everything, you use Power 49. And when you look at the washing time, it's 49, right? 49 minutes. So you can come here and change the temperature, and as you can see, the temperature is 40. It's giving you options. Actually, when you click on it, you can choose 20, 30, 40. 40 is the maximum, so you can choose 30. All right. When you come to spin, it's giving us 800, so giving us options 600 and up to 800, right? We can choose the highest if you want, or 600, but it recommends for the 49, it recommends actually the 800. Coming to the temperature, the drying level. Drying level, this is where you choose the drying period. Okay, when you click dry, the first thing it's gonna bring you almost 4 hours. That's almost 4 hours. That's too long. So before I discovered that you can click here and actually reduce the drying time, it took me a while. and I couldn't understand why my clothes are taking too long. And as we know, that actually damages clothes, because when they're there, you know, it's too many hours and they've already washed and it's cleaning and cleaning and, you know, drying and drying and drying. For me, you know, it felt like it was so crazy. Forgive me, I'm sorry. So let's click on dry level. So when you click here, it changes, right? Now it's 3 hours 29 minutes. When you click at it again, now it's 4 hours. Click at it again, that's 1 hour 19 minutes. Let's see if we have a lesser one. And then we have 1 hour 49 minutes. That's a total time to wash and dry, right? There's another one which is 2 hours 19 minutes, 2 hours 49 minutes, 3 hours 49 minutes, 4 hours 49 minutes. Okay, so for me, since the washing time is 49 minutes, you choose a lesser drying period, which is actually dries. It actually dries good. The only thing is they come out really dry, just a little bit moist, so you can just hang them for like 10 minutes and everything will be fine. Well, depends on how you want them, but for me, I figured out that for 49 minutes, going for 1 hour 19 minutes is usually enough for me. 1 hour 19 minutes or 1 hour 49 minutes if you want them to like dry completely. Okay, so that's how to reduce the drying time. So when you want to add pre-wash time, you click on this, it's gonna show up there. When you want to put child lock, you press on these two, right? Temperature and spin at the same time, press and hold, right? You hear the child lock is activated. For the silent or you know, silent or, you know, a beep when it's done washing. So if you want it to be silent or you want it to beep, you want to silent it, you click on spin and dry once, press and hold. I've put clothes inside. Now I'll just close it like that, and then guys, I'm gonna show you how to set it. Like, look at this. For me, I want to use quick 15, which is just 1 hour. If I add the drying time, first of all, I'll connect with the phone, okay, because I want to show you guys how to use with the phone. So this is you click there, it locks like that, and it's connected now to the phone. If I use my phone, I'll show you how I do it, but first of all I want to show you manually from here and how you choose the temperature. So temperature is there. I don't want to take it up all the way to 40. I just want to use the 15, which is colder. And spin, I can use 8 or I can use less, right? I can still choose less, which is 600 or 800, but let me just take 800. And here I will choose the dry level. Okay, so when you come to dry level, it takes you to 1 hour, right? When you put dry level, it goes to 1 hour. So that is wash and dry. So that is when you choose with the machine, right? The machine itself, and then you click here play. Make sure detergent is on auto and the softener is on auto. Now I'm gonna use the phone now to choose. I will actually mix it, like disorient it like this. Okay, I'll take it all the way to echo 40 to 60, and when it's there, I'm gonna show you how to, when you use the phone, how it just sets itself to the washing option that you choose, right? All right, so as you can see, the machine is connected and it says it's on standby. Okay, so on standby like this, you come here. I have actually saved some washing options, actually my favorite ones, but let me just come to laundry, take you through the okay, when you click on laundry, you can actually just check on the wash and dry and pick it, which is 1 hour. It's shown here. Just send, but I won't do that. I'll come here and show you more options, you know, where you can see more options from the machine. And the options are these, you know, you can see from the machine The ones labeled in the machine, they actually shows on the app as well, so you can choose from here. For example, we only interested in, okay, my choice is 1 hour wash and dry, so I'm interested in this. You click on it. When you click on it, automatically it sends the information there. You know, it has actually taken itself automatically there for 1 hour wash and dry, right? Why? Because you have chosen from here. And when you come to the app, you have the options here to choose. You know, detergent, you can put outdoor, and there's more options actually here. You can choose to mute, you know, or not mute. And then when you click on this, send and start, actually guys, you can click on love just to favorite it, you know, meaning you can always, you know, choose it quickly. So in this case, you just send and start. Once you send and start, it clicks here, as you could hear the sound, and actually the clothes are washing. You can see, gosh, I don't know how you're gonna see it, but anyway, the washing has already started. So when detergent or softener is less, it's gonna blink like that, the way it's blinking, as you can see. So in this case, it says my softener is less, so I need to top it up to add it, and I'll just add it later. Actually, I made sure it's less so that this signal will show here, so that you guys will see how it behaves when one of them is less. So I use either this liquid soap, this one, or the lavender version of it. And this is the lavender. Actually, I haven't opened it. It's because this one is not over yet. And that's it, guys. See you next time.